Hello class 11, we are doing karma and this is part 3 that we are doing. We have seen the difference between Sir Mohan Lal and Lady Lal, and now we will get into the next part. Sir Mohan wondered if he would be travelling alone. The train had come and he was wondering if he has to travel alone. It was a cantonment. So what is a cantonment? Actually, the word cantonment is from it comes from the French word canton. It's a place where, that section where military camps are held. Okay, or these are places. A cantonment area are the places where the military they reside. Alright, so it was the cantonment area. Some English officers might be on the train, he thought that. His heart warmed at the prospect of an impressive conversation. So he thought that he would have an impressive conversation. He never showed any sign of eagerness to talk to the English as most Indians did. Nor was he loud, aggressive, opinionated like them. He went about his business with an expressionless matter of factness. So, he never showed that he is very willing to talk, because he thought he is no less than this English people. So there shouldn't be any excitement to talk to them, and it should come to them very naturally, like what would happen to most Indians. If they would see a foreigner, they would run by to talk, and he felt that was not necessary because he himself was well enough and not an inch lesser than them. He would retire to his corner by the window and get out a copy of the Times. So what he did, he generally, how he used to do is, he used to take out his copy of the Times. He would fold it in a way in which the name of the paper was visible. So he would fold it in a way so that the Times, this name is visible for the others to see that he was reading Times, which meant that he was educated enough. Visible while he did the crossword puzzle, and he would do the crossword puzzle. The Times always attracted attention. Someone would like to borrow it when he put it aside with a gesture signifying I have finished with it. So then when he would see that the other person had already noticed that he was reading the Times, what he would do, he would just keep it aside signifying I have finished it. If you want, you may take it. Perhaps someone would recognize his Balliol tie, which he always wore while travelling. That would open a vista leading to the fairyland of Oxford colleagues, masters, dons, tutors, boat racers, Raja matches, and then he would, if someone would recognize his tie, he would start speaking about his Oxford days, his colleagues, his masters, his tutors, the boat races that he had. Raja means the rugby matches that they used to have. If both the Times and the tie failed, if no people noticed the Times, neither the tie, Sir Mohan would, koi hai, his bearer, he would call his bearer, to get the scotch out, to have some scotch. Whiskey never fell with Englishmen. So whiskey is something which Englishmen would always be attracted. Then followed Sir Mohan Lal's handsome gold cigarette case filled with English cigarettes, and then they would have Sir Mohan Lal's gold cigarette case which was filled with English cigarettes. English cigarettes in India? How on earth did he get them? Sure, he didn't mind. And Sir Mohan's understanding smile, of course he didn't. So people would be attracted. They would be, puzzled that how is it possible that he is having these English cigarettes in India. So, and he wouldn't mind because he would kind of show off that yes, he is well bred and he is educated from Oxford University. And Sir Mohan would only give an understanding smile. But could he use the Englishman as a medium to commune with his dear old land? Those 5 years of grey bags and gowns, of sports, pleasures, mixed doubles, of dinners at the ends of the courts, nights at Piccadilly. Piccadilly is the name of the bars. So he had spent an excellent 5 years of career, 5 years of a crowded, glorious life, right? Okay, 5 years of the crowded, glorious life. So it was a glorious life that he had. What far more than 45 in India. This glorious 5 years. It is much more than the 45 years that he has spent in India with his dirty, vulgar countrymen, with sorry details of roads, to success of natural visits of to the upper story, and obscene old Lakshmi smelling of sweat and raw onion. So onion. So right, he preferred that better than that sweating wife who smelled like raw onion, better than that nocturnal visit, better than all those roads which were dirty. It's far better he stay in the over there with the English people were much more better. It was much more a better place. So we see that he would love to show off. So what are the things that he generally used to show off? First of all, he used the Times, and he would fold it in such a way so that the Times, the name would be seen, and then he would have his tie, okay, his Balliol tie, okay, right. And if both of this failed, people are unable to understand or pay attention to all these things, then he would have let's say what, he would have whiskey, and this would never fail to attract the attention of the British people. Not only that, they also had some, he had the English, okay, cigarettes, and people would wonder that how on earth did he have them in India, and he would be very happy, he would smile, he would feel himself to be very superior, and he felt like this 5 years that he had the glories, he would love to speak about his masters, his colleagues, his boat races, his Raja matches. They are very important, you may mark them. They are very important, that how did he spend his life over there, so, and what are the things that he would love to talk to about. So those are very important, please mark them well. And then what did he how the gowns that he used to wear, the bags, the gowns, the mixed doubles that he used to play, the time that he used to stay in Piccadilly bars, that life was much better considered to his life in India, where he had to have some nocturnal visit. He had this bad sordid roads, his vulgar countrymen, his sweating wife who would smell like raw onion. So I'll just keep it till this much. In my next video I shall continue with the last part of the story Karma. Thank you.